Several of our students today are going to be recognized for their academic achievements in their core classes and their elective subjects, while several other students will be recognized for exemplary citizenship. Each teacher had the opportunity to select one student who has done an outstanding job this year and who has set the bar academically for all other students in that subject. As a team, we asked the teachers to also select 5 students that exemplify the expectations that we set at our school, which are for our students to be cooperative, accountable, respectful, responsible, and safe. We feel that academics and citizenship go hand in hand, and without one, the other one is meaningless. At this time, I would like to invite the Wranglers team teachers to come forward and announce their award recipients. Now, students, if you'll listen for just a minute. Students, when they call your name, please come forward, enter on this side of the stage, accept your medal, and then walk that side and go back to your seat. So we're going to basically be making a circle.